In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book bus tickets online 2026 step by step. Booking a bus seat is quick once you know the flow. We'll use 12Go, a popular platform in many countries, but the process is similar on most sites. Choose a route, compare your options, pick a seat, add your details, pay, and save your ticket. Start by opening the 12Go website. On the homepage, type your departure city in the From field, your destination in the To field, and select your date of travel. Double check the spelling so the right cities and terminals appear. When everything looks correct, hit search to load the available buses. On the results page, take a moment to compare what's offered before you decide. First, review seat types. Regular seats are usually the cheapest and work well for short trips. Recliner seats lean back farther and add comfort. Sleeper options are designed for overnight or long-distance rides and are the most restful. Next, consider travel time. Decide if you want a direct service or don't mind stops along the way. Night departures can free up your daytime and are often priced competitively, but confirm the arrival time and location fit your plans. Read the reviews to set expectations. Focus on recent comments about cleanliness, punctuality, and overall comfort. This helps you spot consistently reliable operators. Then compare prices across different providers. The cheapest ticket isn't always the best value. Balance cost with the level of comfort and reliability you want. When you've found the right trip, continue to seat selection. Many services show a seat map so you can choose exactly where you'll sit. A window seat is great for views. Seats toward the front typically feel less bumpy, while the middle of the bus is often the most stable for anyone sensitive to motion. Now enter your passenger details, your name, a reachable contact number, and an email address. These are used to send your ticket and any updates, so make sure everything is accurate before you proceed. Continue to payment and choose a secure method that suits you, such as Gcash or Maya in the Philippines, a debit or credit card, or online banking. Confirm the total and currency, ensure your connection is secure, and complete the transaction. After successful payment, you'll receive an e-ticket, usually a QR code or a PDF via email and on the confirmation screen. Finally, save your ticket. Take a screenshot for quick access or download the PDF to your device. Many buses accept mobile tickets, so printing isn't always necessary. Keep the file handy for boarding and you're ready to go.